Select 3 or more vertices and move them up along the Z-axis. Select them all while holding Shift. You can find LoopTools either by right-clicking or in the Edit tab of the option panel. Use the Curve tool. As you can see, this interpolates the vertices in between the selected ones. We can use this to quickly create interesting shapes. GStretch uses the Annotate tool. Select a row of vertices. In the GStretch options, choose Annotation as Guides. Hold D and draw an annotation, and click on GStretch. As you can see, this stretches the selected vertices to the annotation line. Deselect all with Alt-A. Then you can click on Delete Annotation Strokes.